Hi, my name is Alexis Schuster and I'm going to be talking about projectile motion. Projectile motion is an object that moves along a curved path under the influence of gravity. So here we have a cannon and you will notice that the cannon ball shoots out. If we do it again, you'll notice that there's a parabola, that it makes a parabola whenever it shoots out. And if you also notice that it moves in the horizontal and vertical direction, which means that they are independent, they do not depend on each other, so they have their own equations. So we're going to do an example. Here is a man jumping off a cliff. He's into the water. Here he goes, jumping in the cliff, in the water. And we have our triangle. The initial velocity is 8.5. You have your x component and you have your y component. We're giving that there's 30 degrees angle right here. So first, we're gonna have our equations right here that we can use. And now we're going to find our x component. So to do that, we do cosine, which do cosine of 30 because that's the angle we're given, and adjacent because we're trying to find the adjacent side to the angle. So once you calculate that, you get that our x is 7.36 meters per second. Now our y, you do the same thing but just with sine. And that gives you 4.25 meters per second. So now that we have both of our initial velocities in the y and the x direction, we can find time. To find time, of course, we're given that there is 100 meters in the negative direction because the person is going down into the water. And we use this equation to find our t, which is time. And we get 4.97 seconds. Now we want to find our distance, which is how far from their start to the end, how far the distance is that they've went, which you use the same, not the same equation, but a different equation, and you get 36.6 meters.